Hey there, welcome back to iOS YouTube channel, and today in this video I have installed Nothing OS 2.0 based on Android 13 on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So how does it perform and is it daily drivable? Let's find out. So this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro and this is the last video on this device on my channel. I don't have this device anymore, so I won't make any more videos on it. And this is the setup of Nothing OS 2 based on Android 13. Nothing OS setup will ask you to choose a style, and as I have chosen the Nothing style, I am back at the home screen and you can see the QS panel looks good. The brightness works perfectly fine. Now let me go to the settings and show you the about page of this ROM. First of all, let me disable the dark mode so you can see better. Everything, literally everything in this ROM works perfectly fine except two things, that are fingerprint and glyph. Glyph of course won't work as the hardware is not supported. And this is the about page of this ROM. As you can see, it is based on Android 13, and if you move the clock to 1 o'clock and then hold the circles, it will show you emojis. This Easter egg of Android 13 is very cool. Now let me go back and tell you about the bugs. Let me go to the security tab, and as I was telling you, fingerprint doesn't work at all. Even the option for the fingerprint is missing here. You can see only screen lock and face unlock are here. Now to talk about the display, all the display settings like dark mode, reading mode and other features works perfectly fine. This refresh rate option of course won't work as the display is only 60Hz. Adaptive brightness, night light and color scheme, everything works perfectly fine. And to talk about storage, this is a non-repartition based ROM, so I'm getting almost 50 GB of free storage out of 64. And to talk about the battery backup of this ROM is perfectly fine. It can last almost a day for you. You can also check the battery usage in the settings. Although the ROM being very old, it is based on Android 13 and the UI looks modern. It has some customization features as well, as you can see wallpaper and styles and icon pack as well. You can change it to default Android icon style, or you can change it to Nothing OS or anything else. You can also change the home screen layout from 4 apps to 5 apps in App Grid. In wallpapers and style, you can adjust the monet colors and other things. The ROM overall is smooth. The only bug is fingerprint. The ROM does not jitter or lag, and you can daily drive it if you want to. You can disable the glyph option to save battery. And as you can see, the QS panel still looks modern, and Android 13 is supported by many apps still. Flashlight works perfectly fine, and the ROM does not come with any built-in camera, but I will provide a link in the description for a camera app. Overall, if you want to pass play integrity, I will link a video in the description as well. And if you want to daily drive this ROM, you can. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.